Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Investors remained on the sidelines ahead of the key March CPI data due out on Wednesday US time or tonight local time. The Dow tipped into negative territory, closing down 0.02%. The S&P 500 closed up 0.14%, and the Nasdaq was the best performing index, closing up 0.32%. In company news, Intel unveiled its new AI chip called Gaudi 3. Intel says the new Gaudi 3 chip is over twice as power efficient and can run AI models 1.5 times faster than NVIDIA's. As a result, chipmaker NVIDIA dropped 2%. Meta and Netflix closed down 0.5% and 1.6% respectively. The key March CPI numbers are due for release on Wednesday. Economists polled by Dow Jones show consensus expectations of a 0.3% rise in March on a month-over-month basis. In commodity-related news, the soaring prices of gold and copper were the big stories. Gold hit an all-time high of $2,384.50 per ounce on Tuesday on COMEX in New York, but has eased slightly since. The price of copper traded near a 15-month high as Citigroup said there's potential for explosive price upside in metal in the next 3 years thanks to supply disruption and rising demand. Moving back toward the price of gold, Bank of America have made a big claim overnight, stating that gold prices are projected to jump to $3,000 per ounce by 2025. This is due to the strong demand from central banks and the anticipation of investors returning to the market once the Federal Reserve begins to slash interest rates. Shifting to US sectors, all closed higher overnight except for industrials and financials. Real estate was the best performer. In local news, the focus will be on the New Zealand rate decision due at midday and on building activity due. The RBNZ is expected to hold interest rates steady. Looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% rise. Thank you for listening.